Today, I'll walk you through how to open an old Snapchat account, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to regain access to your account so you can reconnect with friends and enjoy all the fun features Snapchat has to offer. Let's get started. First, you need to download and open the Snapchat application on your device. If you already have it installed, simply locate the app and tap to open it. This is similar to finding an old book on your shelf. You just need to dust it off and open it up. Once the app is open, you will be prompted to log in. Make sure to use your registered email address or username when logging in. If you've forgotten your credentials, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The process is still the same. If you can't remember your email or username, click on Forgot Your Password. This option is like a safety net, allowing you to retrieve access without too much hassle. After selecting that option, you will be asked where you want the password reset instructions to be sent. You can choose either your registered phone number or your registered email address. Think of this step as choosing your preferred method of communication. It's all about what works best for you. Once you've made your selection, check your phone or email for the login instructions. You will receive detailed steps on how to reset your password and log into your old account. This is your key to unlocking the door back into your Snapchat world. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of opening your old Snapchat account. Remember, it's totally normal if this takes a moment, so be patient with yourself. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.